Hello everyone, myself Ax. Today we are going to solve the given problem. Problem is if a force F vector is equal to 2x square y I cap plus of 3xy j cap displaces a particle in the xy plane from 0 to 0 to 1 comma 4 along a curve y is equal to 4x square. Find the work done. Let's solve the problem. Plane lies on xy plane, that is we have to put z vector is 0 and the force is given by F vector is equal to 2x square y I cap plus of 3xy j cap, and the curve is given by, and the curve is y is equal to 4x square. We know that the work done is given by close integral f vector dot dr vector. This is work done formula, and here C represent the closed curve and the given plane is xy plane, so we have to consider only xy plane. Z's plane we equal to 0, that is we know that r vector is equal to xi cap plus of yj cap plus of zk cap. But according to the question, the plane lies on only xy plane, so we have to neglect the z vector. So r vector is equal to xi cap plus of yj cap. We have to put in place of z is equal to 0. Further, we can also write it is dr vector is equal to dx I cap plus of dy j cap, and putting the value in the given work done formula, that is closed curve f vector is given by 2x square y I cap plus of 3xy j cap, and dot dr vector is given by dx I cap plus of dy j cap. Here we have to solve for dot product, that is w is equal to close integral, that is 2x square y dx and plus of 3xy dy, and further we have to put the value of y, that is curve is given by y is equal to 4x square, so we have to put here y is equal to, and taking the limit, that is here is 0 to 0 and 1 to 4, so we have to consider 0 to 1 is the integral limit, and put the value, that is 2x square, and in place of y we have to put 4x square, and here is dx plus of, here is 3x into, in place of y we have to put 4x square, and here is, once again, here is dy. Further we have to integrate both the sides, that is work done is equal to integral limit is 0 to 1, and here is 4 to the 8, that is 8 की power x की power 4, x square into x square, that is x की power 4, and 4 to the 8, that is up into dx, and plus of, here is 3 4 the 12, once again 3x square, y is equal to 4x square, and here is some mistake in the dx dy. Once again, we can also put the value of dy from the curve, that is differentiating curve with respect to x, that is dy is equal to 8x dx, and we have to put the value of dy here, that is 8x to power 4 dx plus of, here is 4 is a 12, 12x cube, 12x cube into, in place of dy we have to put 8x into dx, and further we have to solve, that is work done is equal to 0 to 1, and here is 8x to power 4 dx, 8x to power dx, and plus of, here is 12 8 is 96, that is 96 into x cube, x to power 4, sorry, x to power 4 dx. Further we have to integrate, that is work done is equal to, integral limit is 0 to 1, we have to put once again, that is on integration x to power 4 dx, that is 8 into x to power 5 upon 5, that is using the formula, that is integral x to power n dx is given by x n plus of 1 and upon n plus of 1. So we have to write here, that is x to power 4 dx is written as x to power 5 upon 5 plus of, here is 96, and into, here is x to power 4, that is we can also write x to power 5 upon 5, and limit is 0 to 1. Further we have to solve, that is work done is equal to, here we have to, that is once again taking LCM, that is from in the bracket, that is 5 is LCM, that is 8 x to power 5 plus of 96 x to power 5, and the limit is 0 to 1. Further we have to solve, that is work done is equal to, here is 96 plus 8, that is 104, that is 104 x power 5 upon 5. Further we have to take common the 104 upon 5, that is 0 to 1 limit here, and further solve, that is work done is equal to, taking common from here 104 upon 5, that is 104 upon 5, and here is the bracket, that is x to power 5, and we have to apply the limit. First we have to use the upper limit, that is in place of x we have to put 1, that is 104 upon 5 into 1, and again we have to put lower limit in place of x, that is 0, and further we have to solve, that is work with 104 upon 5 multiplied with 1 is 104 upon 5. This is the required work done for the given particle in the xy plane. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.